The rivalry, oh my god, like Christian Horner till 2014, he was on top of it.
Yeah.
Toto Wolff comes, dethrones him, and over 6 years he's coming back and taking it. I mean, oh my god.
Next, we have a very big F1 enthusiast as well, Abhishek Khule. So, yeah, if you could just introduce yourself, Abhishek.
Hi Naren, I'm Abhishek. So, been following F1 since Shumi days, and it's such a relief that he did not get the 8th one. I mean, Max, throughout the whole season, I'm confused what to make out of this whole season because it's been such a ping pong, really.
Yes, exactly.
And I don't know, man. It's really crazy. I mean,
Yeah, I think.
I still can't digest.
Yeah, I think everyone cannot digest it yet. I think we are all lost out of words because I think it's great for the sport that we're seeing a new champion. I think the sport totally deserves that. But again, Lewis Hamilton, he totally gave an excellent battle right till the end. I think the championship went down to the last 2 laps of the 23rd race. I think whoever as a Formula 1 fan thought that, this could happen. So yeah, sum up the race in 3 words. If you could describe the race in 3 words. The Abu Dhabi GP.
Oh my god. Those are the 3 words you're getting from me, man.
Yeah, exactly. I think heart in the mouth moment for, I think, what was the highlight of the race for you, Abhishek?
So highlight for me was from a subtler point of view, it was Hamilton not pitting during the safety car, but I guess the strategy was basically if Hamilton pits, you don't pit, and then you fight it out on the last corner. So
Yes.
I don't know, the engineers, the teams, they have been top class. I mean, the analysis which is going on behind the scenes, the drivers are giving it their all, and the teams and the team managers and the team principals
I don't need to go to dinner with Toto, I don't need to kiss his ass or anything like that.
are the rivalry, oh my god, like Christian Horner till 2014, he was on top of it.
Yeah.
Toto Wolff comes, dethrones him, and over 6 years he's coming back and taking it. I mean, oh my god.
Yes, I think the war was all over. It was not only Max Verstappen and Lewis Hamilton fighting for the championship. I think it was Mercedes versus Red Bull. It was Toto Wolff versus Christian Horner. I think that right from the interviews that we witnessed, the last few interviews, I think it was literally war. They were just giving each other left, right, center.
And what started as Olympic boxing went to pro boxing and is now MMA.
I think a lot of mind games goes on in this sport, and I think you have to be freaking patient right till the end of the 58th lap till the race is not over. It's not over till it's over. I think we didn't expect Max Verstappen to win it. We definitely wanted him to win. Everyone was supporting him, but literally towards the end, I think it all came out in his hands from lap 55 or 56 when the crash happened. I think Williams crashed into the wall and the safety car happened. Yeah. So yeah, what are your thoughts on the race screening, Abhishek?
The screening was amazing. So I remember when there used to be just 10-15 people, and today I guess we had a turnout of around 200-250 people.
Yes.
And what a race for those guys to watch. I mean, a few people were first time watchers, and coming in the new era when the cars are going to be more competitive,
Yes.
and with such a fan base and all the behind the scenes action which Liberty Media is doing with F1,
Yes.
I think the sport is going to reach a new level altogether because it's a global sport and it's going to be much more bigger than what we had this year.
Yes.
With
Definitely.
more drivers coming into picture. Yeah, man.
Definitely. I think we all F1 fans are in for a treat. I think we've had a super exciting season. The 2021 season, we didn't expect that it'll go down to the wire. We definitely all wanted for it to go down to the wire. And I think the last few laps, it went down to the last few laps. We didn't know who the champion was. And it all ended with Max Verstappen being the champion. So big thank you, Abhishek, for sharing your words, and if you could just show your emotions right now.
I mean, you can see my emotions. I'm so elated, man. I mean, after the past couple of seasons where we had Mercedes dominance all throughout, this is such a breather. I can't breathe. It has been such a roller coaster season, man. I mean, oh my god.
Yeah.
First of all, Red Bull dominating the first few races, then Hamilton coming back right from Brazil or Mexico,
Yeah.
Brazil. Yeah, but it has been such a roller coaster of emotions. You couldn't have expected, like, dreamed of a better season or better finale.
Yes, I think you've summed it up exactly correctly. It was just like a roller coaster ride. It was just like a ping pong match. It was going in the favor of Lewis Hamilton and Mercedes, and it was going down in the favor of Red Bull and Max Verstappen. And till the end, we didn't know who the championship and the winner was till the 58th lap, till the end of the race. So a big thank you, Abhishek, for sharing your thoughts.
For Hamilton, I would just say one thing: how unfortunate.
Yeah, it is really unfortunate. I think he totally gave a very tough battle.
Yeah.
I think Max Verstappen and Lewis Hamilton have big respect to both of them.
Big respect. So you can't. It's both are on the equal
Yes,
level.
yes,
It's
yes.
just that one last lap who crosses the finishing line first.
Yes,
Yeah, I mean,
it was a super exciting race. I think we all F1 fans had the best season in the hybrid era, and possibly I think it was the best season.
in the past 20-25 years.
Yes, and
apart
this
from
will-
2008, I don't think so any.
Yes, I think 2016 Nico Rosberg, Lewis Hamilton fight. It was similar till the end of the race, but it was same team. Now it was a different team fighting for the championship, and I think this will go down in the history for sure. And I think people will talk about it for the next 10-20 years for sure. So yeah, big thank you, Abhishek, for sharing your thoughts, and have a fantastic day.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks,
Thanks.
man.